Balmaceda family. Today kakaiba yung vlog natin and I am very happy na nakasama tayo for the anniversary ng Diana Jewelry. O, diba? Bongga. So, thank you sa Filipino Vloggers Qatar for inviting Balmaceda family. Kami yung team na yun. I am also part of the team, ang Balmaceda family. Kaya naman, abangan nyo ang paalahas. So, see you there and enjoy our vlog! Hi, happy anniversary sa Diana Jewelry. 14 years nila dito, guys. So, mga ka-BFF Doha, visit and enjoy Diana Jewelry.
Let's have some.
Any branch nila, guys, punta po kayo dahil anniversary nila. At ang maganda dito, guys, kailangan magpa-picture na nakaganto, then po sila nyo lang sa kanilang FB page, FB, Instagram, any social media na Diana Jewelry. Then ipopost nyo lang po dahil i-share nyo po yung tag ng mga friends nyo at you have a chance to win gold, no? At i-draw nila sa kaya, ano pang hihintayin nyo? Join now!
So good na!
Congratulations, Diana Jewelry! Happy anniversary!
Bye guys, mag-picture at video lang po.
Sa mga ano po, sa mga mahilig sa mga sa good investment po, punta lang po kayo dito Hamid. And thank you for inviting us for this wonderful event. Happy 14th anniversary.
Thank you for your
to you and all the staff.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
We would like all of you to be welcome to our Diana Jewelers. We have got 4 stores in Doha, Al-Sadd, Al-Nasr, and we have in Souq 2 branches and in Kabayan Souq. And especially for the Filipino community, we would like to welcome all of you to the store and enjoy purchase at best prices. We can offer you the gold and thank you.
For how long will you take this event?
You can come until we have got until the stocks. Yeah, we have got stocks. Yes, we have the stocks. Yes, we have got always new collection. You are most welcome. You can follow our Facebook page, Instagram, or daily pages. That's it. And you can get the daily update. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for all
Thank
of you.
Thank you for inviting us, and please be updated and visit all the branches of Diana here in Qatar.
Follow us on the Facebook. Follow us on Instagram for our daily updates. Thank you. Thank you for all the Filipino community, and we want all of you to be here and we'll serve you as much as possible. Thank you. Welcome.
We would like to congratulate our
Jamel,
congratulations, our doctor. Skincare product, gaya mo.
So guys, ayan, meron tayong kakaibang experience ngayon. Kasama yung mga vloggers and ayan, dito sa Diana. So, invite na kami and of course, thank you kay Glenn. Glenn, thank you. Thank you. So, continuation of our vlog, siguro later, medyo maingay. Arigato!
Kamsami, everybody na walang science, animation.
Positive. Jamel,
Congratulations, our doctor. Skincare product, gaya mo. Nakita mo susunod ka sa yan.
Ella Jewelers. Hello mga ka-BFF and hello mga Filipino vloggers in Qatar. Welcome to Diana Jewelers.
Yan. Ano ba meron ngayong partner?
Anniversary. 14 years anniversary. anniversary
Wow.
ng Diana Jewelers here in Doha, Qatar.
And we are inviting you to come here. May mga branches sila, partner.
We have Al Saad, Habayan Souk, Al Nasser, and Souk Al Saad Doha. Ayan.
At saka Souk Al Saud, Doha.
Doha.
Ang telephone number nila, kung gusto niyo kasi meron tayong layaway dito, meron din tayo guys na delivery. Pwede magpa-deliver, pwede tawagan niyo sila sa 443-20519. Ulitin po namin, 443-20519. Yan.
Yes.
Sa mga sa mga katulad nating partner na mahilig sa jewelry,
Mahilig mag-invest
Yes.
sa jewelry. Ayan. So good na sa
so
Diana.
na dito sa Diana kasi talagang kapag ang jewelry talagang good investment yan, tama partner?
And quality, nandito, good price, pwedeng layaway in 3 months. Saan pa kayo? Kaya
Yes.
sugod na
At maganda pa nito partner, no? Kapag sugod nila dito, pwede pa sila manalo, no?
Yes, on this coming Eid.
Yes, yung gamit yung i-draw nila guys, ang gagawin nyo lang is magsi-selfie lang kayo, kukunin nyo yung parang ano nila,
Picture frame na
nila,
malaki.
ilalagay nyo po yung ano nila, yung face mo.
Facebook.
Tapos
Facebook.
ipopost mo sa Facebook nila, sa Diana Jewelers.
So, we're inviting you to visit all the branches
Yes.
or call Diana Jewelries. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo?
Arat na! Yay!
Sa photo. Basta ka nag-aaral.
Thank you!
May bago sila yung Paris Orto. Bago nila to eh.
Sisi Corner. Sisi Corner. Thank you kay Glenn. Thank you, Glenn. Again, maraming salamat sa mga vloggers sa kasama ng Balmaceda family, ng Team BFF Doha, and very thankful sa Diana Jewelers na na-invite tayo dito sa event na to na napakasaya. Wala kaming masabi kundi congratulations and happy anniversary. Salamat po sa inyong pag-gift sa aming lahat. At sa mga kasama naming vloggers, ayan, mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you sa inyo. Bye!